Hello guys, hello, welcome to another educational video. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. And if you are new to Pro Stock Market, please you can go and take my free course where you'll be learning all those things like candlesticks patterns, chart patterns, trend lines, support and resistance. And I have explained from basics to advanced. You can go and take my free course. Okay, so you can get that course in a playlist, which is free price action course, and you learn a lot. Okay, so here welcome everyone. So in this video we are going to analyze Voltas. Okay, so Voltas is a chart which is requested by one of our member, and of course I'll analyze sale as well. And the next stock which I will analyze is Jindalstel. Okay, so basically we are going to analyze three stocks: Voltas, sale, and Jindalstel. Okay, so the first stock which I'm analyzing at present is Voltas. Okay, so Voltas is requested by one of our member. So this is Voltas. As you all know, I'll be coming from my higher time frames to lower time frames. I don't really go back to this directly into 15 minutes time frame, and I'll not analyze here if I'm getting any bear flag or bull flags or any kind of chart patterns. Okay, so every time whenever I analyze any chart. Okay, so I'll come from my monthly time frames till the 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame till the intraday time frame. Okay, so basically this is 1 month time frame, and in this 1 month time frame, as you all know, I'll draw my support and resistance in 1 month time frame. So this is support and resistance in 1 month time frame. This is working really. This is going really well, and I don't think so there is any chart pattern here. Okay, so basically this particular uh, trend line is following from long time, so this trend line is good. Okay, this is chart pattern which is like ascending channel. Okay, so it didn't break this particular trend line. Okay, this particular trend line to move towards the downside. Okay, so it got rejected from that level. Okay, so as you can see a pin bar, it got rejected from here and bounced backside. Okay, so it bounced upside. Okay, so now we got our like support and resistance obviously in monthly time frames, and obviously the chart patterns as well. So what I'll be doing is I'll go for 1 week time frame. Okay, so the weekly time frames is very important. We should never forget weekly time frames because there is science behind that weekly time frame. So that's why I'm saying we should never forget that weekly time frame analysis. Okay, so this is weekly time frame support resistance, and you can even draw like this as well. So this is the high which made, so I'll be drawing there, but we don't really need because this is the nearest resistance. So obviously this is good, so I don't think so we should draw this as well. So this is quite near, so I'll be drawing here itself. So this is basically good. This is basically good, and let's see if we are getting any chart patterns. I don't think so. We're getting, yep, we are getting here, but it's not that much clear. I mean, the room is not that much clear. So let's go for the daily time frames. And the daily time frame, as you can clearly see, we are getting a chart pattern. Okay, so as you all know, this is an ascending channel, or else you can call it as a big bear flag, but you can, but this is typically an ascending channel. Okay, so ascending channel is nothing but market may fall down in coming days. Okay, ascending channel is nothing but a reversal signal. Okay, if the market is going up, it can fall down. Okay, so this is basically a reversal signal. It means market may fall down in coming days. Okay, and as you all know, I'll be drawing a support and resistance as well here in daily time frame. So you can go and take the blue color line, and this is good, this is good, and this is how you'll be drawing a support and resistance. So the reason why I'm not drawing here is because like it's irritating. Like the more you draw, the more you're disturbing your analysis. Okay, so don't disturb your analysis. Just make it simple. And here this is daily time frame. Okay, so this is very clear. Okay, uh, very clear ascending channel, and I think it might be like you can draw here as well. Okay, I think it might be trying to break this particular level. Okay, it might be trying to break this particular level. So here you can see this one. Okay, one, two, of course the third touch. Okay, so the fourth touch which has already broken. So this is quite good. So now let's go for the 4 hours time frame. So this is 4 hours time frame. And in the 4 hours time frame as well, I don't think so I'm getting any chart patterns. Okay, it's kind of moving in a sideways. So let's go for the 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing clear bear flag, this one. Okay, if I go deep into 15 minutes time frame, I can clearly see what type of pattern is that. Okay, so this is a trend line which is following, and let me draw this particular trend line as well. Okay, so this is a chart pattern. Okay, this is a bullish pattern. So let me minimize this one, and let me minimize this one as well. Okay, as you all know, bigger time frame is forming a big ascending channel. Okay, so here as well you can clearly see this is forming an bullish pennant pattern. Okay, or else, like, if the market breaks towards the downside, can go up downside as well. If the market breaks upside, can go upside as well. Anything can happen. Okay, so you have to be ready before reacting to any particular chart patterns. Okay, so this is forming a pennant pattern. Okay, so I have drawn one, two. I have drawn these particular charts. Okay, so one touch. So this is second touch. Okay, so this is your one touch, and this is second touch. So obviously it's kind of moving in this particular range. So this is a bullish pennant pattern. So what I'll be doing is I'll go for 15 minutes time frame, and I'll see clear chart patterns. Okay, here you got many clear chart patterns here. See bull flag, and overall this is an ascending channel, and it broke. Now this clear bear flag. So this means chances are there for the market to go towards the downside. Okay, so I'll go for this small time frame, which is the ideal last small time frames which I go. Obviously I trade in 1 minute time frame. You need many lot of experience to trade in 1 minute time frames. Okay, so here one touch, two touch, and three touch. So two touches is a valid trend line. One touch, two touch, it's a valid trend line. So obviously this is a big bear flag. So this means continuation pattern, right? So maybe chances are there for the market to go till 644, 640 like that. Okay, so I'm saying chances are there. It's not 100% sure. Whatever the things I'm saying, it is just 50%. Um, or 50% accuracy. Okay, so whatever it might be, just assume that this particular analysis is just 50%. Okay, everything comes under risk management is the only holy grail strategy we have. We don't have any strategy which is like 100% or 90% accuracy. If anyone is saying that my strategy is 90%, boom, they are fake. Okay, so if you ask me my personal strategy, that is completely like approximately 70 to 75. That is my strategy. Okay, so I don't even call as a holy grail as well. Okay, so I'm clearly seeing a bear flag. Okay, I'm clearly seeing a bear flag. So this means chances are there for the market to fall down. Okay, if I clone this one, so chances are there at least here. See, you can clearly see this one. So I have done nothing. I have taken that high and low. Okay, what I have done is I have cloned that particular line, and I have done this one. Okay, so what you're getting here, so this touch, okay, it can go till here as well. Okay, I'm saying just I'm just measuring that particular one. Okay, so it can go till here as well. This one like this. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. You have to be ready to react to the market. Okay, so after that, okay, after that, if it is obviously like this is the bear flag at present, so we'll be looking only for selling opportunities. Yes, in Voltas I'm looking for selling opportunities. In case if the market goes like this is typically an descending channel, right? So I'll be looking for buying opportunities. So till here I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, so this is my analysis in Voltas. Very clear, very easy, looking very good. So maybe I'm definitely expecting the market to go towards the downside. So let's see if the market will go according to us, and if the market will go like or the market will go against us. Okay, so let's hope for the best to be in our direction. Okay, if in case if it is not going in our direction, then definitely we'll change the analysis. Okay, so I hope you understood Voltas, and just go and follow this management. Okay, so the next chart which I'm analyzing is obviously sale. Okay, so sale is the like chart which I'm analyzing, which is still a 30 India. So I'll go for obviously the 1 month time frame. As you all know, I'll be coming from monthly time frames till the daily 5 minutes time frames. Okay, so So let's go for the 1 month time frames, and I'll be drawing my support resistance in 1 month time frame. We don't really need this one, so what hardly will focus here itself. So this is clear, and maybe this also clear. This is also clear. This also might be clear if I'm not wrong. Yep, see a one touch, two touch. So maybe like valid support resistance. So this is quite good, and if I'm good, so I don't know whether this is good or not, but I'm drawing the trend line, so no need to draw. It's not valid that much. Okay. So 1 month time frame support resistance we have drawn, and let's go for 1 week time frame. So this is 1 week time frame, and we can see boom this one. Okay. This is very clear. It's forming a descending channel. Okay, so maybe chance are there for the market to go towards upside till the here. Okay, so let's just draw the highs here. Okay, so chance are there till maybe like 100 rupees like that. Okay, so we have to see. It depends upon the small time frame trends. Okay, so small time frame start patterns on the trend. Okay, so at present I don't think so it's moving upside. If I go for the daily time frames, okay, so hardly you can see it's like a fake breakout. Okay, you need to push your or like trend line like that. Okay, if not okay, if it is fine, then it's okay. We have to see how this will be this will react, because this is what I'm looking here. What is this? It's an ascending channel. Okay, or else you can call it as a big bear flag, right? So it's a continuation pattern, means market may fall down. Okay, anything can happen. Okay, so obviously this is an ascending channel also, or a bear flag, which is a reversal pattern, which means maybe chance are there for the market to fall down. Okay, so even you can draw your support and resistance as well in daily time frame. So let's go and take maybe, let's say, green color. No, pink color will be fine. So just draw your support and resistance as well here, and just make sure you draw correctly. Okay, this is fine. So now in daily time frame, you can clearly see this is an ascending channel. So this means chance are there for the market to fall down. Okay. So obviously I'm looking for selling opportunities till where? Till the next support level, which is this one, which is 26.15. Okay. So this is quite good level. And let's go for these small time frames, and let's see if it is reacting according to this. So I don't think so it's reacting. Okay, why? Because I'm able to see some bullish kind of pattern. Okay, where? So I'm looking at the 1 hour time frames. So as you can clearly see, this is bullish kind of pattern, which is clearly looking. Okay, so this is at the support level. Okay, so this is the trend line which is falling. So maybe, okay, maybe I'm saying maybe. Okay, maybe chances are there for the market to go towards the upside. Okay, chances are there. Okay, till here, till this resistance level, or else if it breaks this support level, boom, no one can stop this stock to fall down. And that's okay. After the small bear flag, no one can stop this stock to fall down, and that's this particular 26 level, 26.15 level. So basically 26.15 is the target for the next. If this support is broken, boom, it can fall down badly till 26.15. Okay, but this particular bullish candle, this descending channel, this indicates chance are there for the market to go upside. The other day which I have analyzed ITC chart, same thing, it may happen, gap down, gap up, and boom, it can touch this particular level or else this resistance level. And anything can happen. You have to react to the market. Okay, it's not like you have to completely ignore it, but you have to react with the market. So let's go for the 15 minutes time frame, and we'll see what kind of pattern we were able to see. So I'm clearly seeing a bullish descending channel, a bullish kind of pattern. In case, okay, in case if this support is broken, I'm looking for bear flag to go for a sell, or else I'll, let me clear this one, or else if I see this, or if I see any bear flag here like this, okay, just a second, if I see any bear flag here like this, boom, I will definitely sell the market. Okay, if I see any bear flag here, I'll look for selling opportunities still here. That's it, right? Bear flag, obviously this is a continuation pattern, right? So you will be looking for selling opportunities till where? Till 26.15. Okay, so this kind of pattern I'm looking for, quite good, but we'll react to the market. Okay, so I'll wait patiently for the chart patterns to evolve, and then I'll react to the market. Okay, if in case if it breaks upside, okay, if it breaks upside, and I will, if I see any bull flag here, okay, or else any bullish pending pattern, obviously I'm looking for selling or buying opportunities. If in case if I see any bear flag here, okay, I will look for selling opportunities till where, till this 26.1 or 26.15 level. Anything is fine. Obviously whatever the market gives, we have to accept that. Okay, so we should not force the market to go in our direction each and every time. It all depends on the market, what to give on or what not to give. Okay, so I hope you got some value from this Steel Authority India sale, and just react to the market. Okay, just trade carefully, and obviously I say each and every time, risk management is everything. Okay, so we have analyzed Voltas, and of course we have analyzed still a sale as well. Okay, so now let's go for Jindalstel. Okay, so this is Voltas. Okay, so now let's go for Jindalstel. This is Jindalstel analysis. So obviously, you know, I'll always come from 1 month time frame. I don't really focus on directly into daily time frame analysis. So I'll always go for the 1 month time frames, and this is the support resistance level. You can draw blindly here, and you can even draw here as well. No issues in that. And I think no particular trend line. Okay, so if you are thinking like maybe it might be inverse head and shoulders, it can happen anything. Okay, inverse head and shoulders, but I don't really focus on this one. So 1 week time frame, the next time frame which personally we will prefer. So this is 1 week time frame trend. Okay, so again it went down. So this is also again it went down. So no certain patterns is forming. So let's focus on this particular level at present. Okay, so let me delete this one. Let me delete this one. So we can draw support and resistance as well in this particular area. So obviously everything is same, but this is different. This is also different. Maybe this is the low which made. So that's why I'm drawing that level. So this is weekly time frame support and resistance. I'm not finding any chart pattern, so I'll go for the daily time frames. And in daily time frames, I'm seeing clear pattern, clear ascending channel. So which is ascending expanding channel. Okay, so this is basically very good. So obviously, like it is forming ascending channel. This means chances are there for the market to fall down. Okay, I'm saying chances are there. I'm not saying that it is 100% sure, because in higher time frames it is still an uptrend, right? So it's very clear that market direction has changed. Okay, so this bullish patterns, you can clearly see this kind of pattern, you can clearly see. This means this is descending channel, right? So this is very clear that market may go towards the upside. Okay, so that's why this is a kind of dynamic resistance. That's why it's kind of it's rejecting from that particular area. Okay, so this is daily time frames. If you go for 4 hours time frames, we'll get a lot of data. Okay, so let's go for the 4 hours time frames. It's good. You can see here trend line which is forming. Okay, so this means chances are there for the market to fall down once again. Okay, so let's go for the 1 hour time frame. Let's go for 1 hour. Clearly ascending channel, very clear. Okay, or else rising wedge channel, rising wedge, guys, which is very clear. Rising wedge channel is my favorite. Okay, rising wedge and falling wedge are the two patterns which are my favorite, because they work 90% of the time, they work perfectly. Okay, I'm not saying okay it's not like 90%, but more than 75% of the time they work perfectly, and they give good risk reward, and obviously the quick movement results as well. Okay, so that's why I'm saying rising wedge pattern is very strong. Okay, I'm saying it is very strong. Okay, don't ignore these kind of patterns. Okay, if it is confusing you, I'll definitely delete this one. So obviously market may fall down. Okay, so this is an like ascending channel. Okay, so this means chances are there for the market to fall down till where, till the next support, which is 160 level, like this one. Okay, so till this 160 level, chances are there for the market to fall down. Okay, chances are there. Okay, so let's go for the 15 minutes time frame. Oh, this is very clear. Bear flag, very clear. A lot of bear flags. It's too good. Okay, so here as well, small bear flag. If you go for maybe 1 minute time frame, we can definitely get a bear flag there. See here, see how beautiful the bear flag was. Okay, so this is very good. So this is 1 minute time frame. Okay, so I'll not go for 1 minute time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. So obviously I'm looking for selling opportunities. If I see any bear flag, 1 second, okay, I'll look for selling opportunities till this next level. Okay, if in case if it is forming this kind of pattern and in a sudden channel like this, I'll look for buying opportunities. Anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen. So what kind of at present I'm looking for selling opportunities. Okay, so this is my setup at present. So if in case if it is forming like this, so this is an ascending channel, descending channel. So this means chance are there for the market to go upside. Okay. So at present it is going in a downside, rising wedge, ascending channel can fall till 160. So obviously my target is like 160 at present. Yeah, or like we have to react to the market. Okay. So I hope you got some value from this Jindalstel as well. And so presently I'm looking only for selling opportunities. So like so we have analyzed Voltas, Sale, and of course Jindalstel. These are very good stocks, and just trade accordingly. And of course we are getting a lot of opportunities in coming days. Okay, so just be careful whenever you're trading this thing, and of course focus only on risk management. Don't go for over position. Okay, oversized positions. Okay, just don't risk your capital. It is very risky. Okay, so if in case if you have lost 10% capital today, so you don't have 10%, you don't have 100% tomorrow, you have 90% tomorrow. Okay, so that 90% is now your 100% capital. Okay, so this is how it goes. Fine, I hope you got some value from this session, from this video. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. And you can request me whatever the chart you want, just mail me at support@prostockmarket.in. Okay, and I'll post those charts and analysis as well. Thank you so much, and bye bye.